Here we've got the KBS bread maker. My wife's going to show you how she makes focaccia bread.
All right, wet ingredients first. Start with a cup of water, oil, then we're gonna go flour. Oops. It's totally fine. Sugar. We're gonna want to go around each corner for each ingredient. And then make a dent in the flour and add your yeast. Water, olive oil, flour, salt, sugar, and yeast.
Okay.
It's got to be bread machine yeast, though, not active dry. We go to menu. Gonna go to 12, which is the leaven dough setting.
How long will that take?
An hour and 24 minutes.
Okay. All right, our bread is done from the bread maker, so we're just going to open it up and take out our dough. I believe the next step is she's going to remove the dough, and then we're going to stretch it out and get it ready on this pan so it can go inside of the oven. There's our dough.
Roll it in flour because it's kind of sticky.
What kind of shape are you stretching it into? Just kind of a rectangle?
Yes.
It's going to fit on this baking sheet right here, and we'll show you right before it goes into the oven. Go for it.
All right, our second rise is done. So now, since it's focaccia with super clean hands, I just need to poke holes. Drizzle some oil. I like avocado oil. Take a silicone brush and spread that around. I like to sprinkle a little bit of salt and garlic powder and dried rosemary. And our oven is preheated to 425. We're going to put that in for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on how thick yours is. Garlic rosemary focaccia bread.